Hola, ¿cómo estás? We're here. We're not in Mexico. We're actually in Gatlinburg, Georgia, but I just felt like speaking in Spanish. Oh, yeah, Gatlinburg, Tennessee. I went to bed at like 4 last night. It's been all crazy. We had Mountain Dews and stuff like that. Anyway, so... yeah, this is a big thing for me. This has been a car I've dreamed of building literally since 2008 when it came out. Me and my buddy Jake that I talk about a lot in videos who passed away. This was a car we wanted to build, and so here it is, our Retro Bullitt. It is about 98.9% complete. We got a couple things we're still waiting to do to it, just in time, little tweaks, but this is it. And as you can see, it is a completely different car than your standard 08 Bullitt. Unlike some of our previous builds that were on a 67, 68 platform, this one is dimensionally far more accurate. We cut about 6 inches in length, and then in width rolled in about 5 inches. Renee and Chuck Heath are the owners of the car, and they're here, and I want to bring Chuck and Renee in if they would like. So it looks like it's just Chuck. Just Chuck. Chuck, thank you so much for letting us do this. Hey. It was a dream build for me, and
wouldn't have dreamed of having anyone else do it.
I really appreciate it. And, it meant a lot to me doing this. It's bittersweet, but I know we're going to be doing a lot of shows together. And we did a lot more on this car to make it not just accurate to 67, 68, but movie accurate. If you look at the back end, it's got the black treatment just like the movie did. Wheels for it, so that would it would have that kind of classic look. Beautiful Highland green, but this back end is probably one of my favorite things. So Chuck's, we literally got him this car probably 45 minutes ago, and through hell and high water we managed to get it here because it was it seemed like one thing after the other when we trailer vehicle, which we don't do. So Chuck,
that's not a trailer queen, won't be a trailer queen. It's a driver.
That's good. And as you see, we got
Steve McQueen, you work your side of the street, I'll work my side of the street.
So how'd we do, Chuck? Did we do an okay job?
Excellent, except for that shadow on it. I've got to buff like crazy to get that shadow on it.
Yeah. Bad. It moves around on you. Isn't that weird? What if there was one favorite part of the car that you like that we did to it, modifying it? What would it be?
I would say the rear end. The rear end on this car is just phenomenal.
Thank you so much.
It is just over and above.
Well, thank you, Chuck. We really appreciate it. We appreciate your patience. We ran into a snag, last night with the tire going out on the trailer, and we couldn't, appreciate you letting us do this to the car more. This was such a dream build for me, and so much time, blood, sweat, tears. We literally built this car like 2 other times before I said, man, I'm just not satisfied with it. And Chuck was nice enough to give us guidance and freedom to let us actually make it, as good as we possibly could. So it's very appreciated. So
I've probably got as much blood, sweat, and tears and worries in it than you do.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. If you want free pizza, like here, comment below, watch some of our other videos here, and subscribe here.
Subscribe. Hey, subscribe, you rascal.
It'd be like pretty cool if you subscribed and stuff. Subscribe, then click that Taco Bell logo if you want notifications and burritos.